guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam blinged out vases, and these are going to be pretty versatile. You can use them as vases, or you can also use them as candle holders. So what you'll need is you're going to need at least two of these, kind of a tulip shaped little mini vase that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need two sets of these candle holders. So you'll need two sets of those. You're going to need some silver spray paint, and that's if you want to add just a little burst of spray paint in the center here to add a little reflective quality. It's optional, you don't have to do that. I may or may not. And if you're going to be painting anything, you're probably going to want to paint. Now you can't paint these on the inside, or you can paint them on the outside. If you choose to paint on the inside, I recommend go ahead and taping it off on the outside. So you'll need some tape if you decide to do that. You're also going to need some diamond wrap, and I have some diamond wrap here. You are also going to need some of these peel and stick gemstones. You can pick these up at your local Dollar Tree on a sheet half the size, or you can pick them up at Walmart. I have to get mine at Walmart because my Dollar Tree doesn't carry them. And then also I have here some more of these little gemstones, and I have like some peel and sticks, and then I also have some of these that you can just use a little bit of hot glue on, or E6000, and glue them on with this, but you can have some of those. I do have a peel and stick version of them as well right here, so you'll need some of those as well. And you're also going to need some hot glue. Now you can use E6000 in place of the hot glue, but for the purposes of the video I'll be using hot glue. So these are the items that we need, so let's get started. And so what I'm going to get started doing now is I'm just going to put 4 rows of diamond wrap, 4 rows of the peel and stick gemstones on each of these. So I'm going to do that to all 4 of these candle holders. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the diamond wrap to the bottom of these, just by turning them over like this, makes it easier. And then I'll just wrap it with diamond wrap. Now I'm going to be using some of this diamond wrap, and I'm going to be wrapping a portion of this vase with the diamond wrap up here. Okay, so now I have taken a strip of this diamond wrap, and I've just used the scissors to strip it right down the center here. So I ended up with 2 pieces with 3 rows, and I'm just going to wrap this around the neck of this. And so now I'm just going to add a dollop of hot glue to this, right in the center here. Just a pretty good sized bead. And then I'm just going to center this, just like that. Now that that's in position. And then I'm going to add a few dots of hot glue to this. Just like that. Just like that. And then I'm going to put this one into position. And so I do have one of these little floral balls here that I picked up as a pack of 3 from Dollar Tree. And so I'm just going to use it to build a little arrangement really quickly. Aren't those beautiful? Now let's get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.